Safety Toolbox Talk number 293. Welding Machine Safety and Inspection Checklist. 1. Are all emergency stop bars, buttons, and electrical switches clearly marked? 2. Is the welding machine properly grounded? 3. Are damaged cables not used, and are damaged cables replaced before the next use? 4. Is a disconnect switch with overcurrent protection provided for every outlet used with a welding machine? 5. Are the welding and return lead connections properly tightened using appropriate sockets or lugs? 6. Are the welding and return leads free from damage, such as cuts, open circuits, excessive joints, or other defects? 7. Is the welding holder in good condition and free from metal contact? 8. Is the earthling holder in good condition and free from rust? 9. Is a suitable fire extinguisher provided at the workplace? 10. Is fire retardant material made available at the workplace? 11. Has a ring test been performed on abrasive wheels before they were mounted? 12. Is all electrical equipment clearly marked with the manufacturer's identity? 13. Is all electrical equipment marked with the necessary voltage, current, wattage, or other relevant ratings? 14. Is a disconnecting switch with overcurrent protection provided for each outlet intended for connection to a portable welding machine? 15. Are the operating keys in good working order? 16. Are flexible cords approved for the location in which they are used? 17. Are flexible cords installed in continuous lengths without any splices? 18. Are tools grounded using multi-contact plugs and receptacles? 19. Are ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, provided in all circuits using portable electric tools? 20. Are switches free from damage and properly insulated? Thank you.